Hey guys, I'm so excited today to show you how the digital version of my Comprehension Quest work. So when you purchase the Comprehension Quest from my TPT store, you'll open it up, and I'm showing you the dinosaur one right now. You'll open it up and you'll have your regular in-class PDF files that you can use, but then you'll also have this folder right here that says digital version. And in this folder, you'll have everything you need to do the digital version of the Comprehension Quest. And I'm just going to show you, if you're on Windows, the first thing you need to do is extract all of the files because they are in a zip folder. So you need to get those onto your computer before you try to open them. So I'm just going to go over here to my desktop and make a quick folder. And I'm going to extract everything into that folder. Okay, so now I have the extracted version, and you'll know because you'll be able to actually see the images. Okay, now when you open it up, you'll get the directions to the quest, and these are just some how it works pages, some help with Google if you have some difficulty with Google Classroom or if you're new to it. So you'll click this link here to get the digital version, which is in Google Slides, and this will make a copy of it to your Google Drive. And this is what it looks like when it's in Google Drive. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and go through, and you'll see this is a link to a YouTube video where I made another version of the hook video where I actually read the text to the students. So this is through YouTube, so your students will need to be able to see a YouTube video to see this hook video, but they can do the quest without the video. This is the students' clue board where you will drag the clues after they earn them, and I'll show you that in just a second. This is their elimination chart where they'll go here and they'll type X's every time they eliminate one of the dinosaurs. And then these are your passages and your assignments. Now, this is for differentiation. So there are 2 to 4 versions of the response pages, and you can kind of see up here what grade levels they target up in the corner. So you don't want to give your students 4 assignments for one passage. So you need to go through and delete the slides that you don't want them to do, and do that for all 6 of the passages. Go through and delete all the extra ones, and like I said, some only have 2. Just go through, delete those, and so your students will get this file. After you've deleted it, you'll assign it to them through Google Classroom, and your students will type their responses, and then if they click to go to the next slide, they'll see a stop sign telling them to submit their work. That way they're only doing one passage and one assignment at a time. Okay, so they'll submit it back to you through Google Classroom, and you're going to assign them a clue once they've done it. So you'll click and you'll drag onto their clue board the clues, and you have to give them an order or the elimination chart won't work properly. Okay, so you'll do that, and then you'll send the assignment back to them. When they get it back, they'll go use the clue. This dinosaur, the dinosaur was not larger than 60 feet, so they'll go through and they'll type and eliminate any dinosaur that was larger than 60 feet. So they'll put X's, and then they'll go to assignment number 2, where they'll read the next passage, and you'll only have one slide here for them to complete. They'll submit it back to you, and then you'll drag clue 2 over, okay? When they're totally finished and they've done all 6, they'll type down here the answer, who they think the fossil belongs to, what type of dinosaur. And if they get it correct, you can just insert a little blank slide there, and you'll drag the certificate of completion and submit it back to them so they can see that they solved the quest. Okay, so that's how it works. I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek inside.